Legrand Group, founded in France in 1860, is a global specialist in electrical and digital building infrastructure, committed to supporting technological, social, and environmental change. With business operations in 180 countries, nearly 40,000 employees, and a product capacity of around 300,000 different products, Legrand Group provides complete system solutions for commercial and industrial buildings. Legrand Turkey Group has been operating in Turkey since 1990 and works for a sustainable future with powerful brands: Legrand, Inform, Estap, and Betecino. Legrand Turkey Group has 2 factories in Gebze, Kocaeli, in addition to headquarters in Istanbul and regional offices. With more than 1,000 direct employees, Legrand Turkey Group makes a great contribution to Turkish economy. As a part of Legrand Turkey Group, Legrand Electric Gebze factory was opened in 1992. Legrand Electric, which is one of Turkey's 500 largest industrial enterprises, mainly produces miniature circuit breakers, MCB, residual current devices, RCD, molded case circuit breaker, MCCB, and wiring devices on production lines, in accordance with the principle of Industry 4.0. Besides, Legrand Electric has a training center named Inoval Turkey. Inoval Turkey contributes to the development of the sector by providing training on products and solutions to its business partners. Legrand Turkey Group, which is among the reputable and leading organizations that carry technology forward and contribute to the development of the electrical and digital infrastructure sector, also undertakes an important social responsibility with its environmentally friendly technologies and energy-efficient solutions. Legrand Turkey Group would continue to improve lives by transforming the spaces where people live and work with innovative and sustainable solutions.